Hi, Superintendent Ben Gauyan here. Today I'm here at Edison Elementary School to learn more about our Picture Lab art program. Let's go make some art. So Ms. Stone, tell me a little bit about Picture Lab.
Oh, well, Picture Lab is a really fantastic resource for our schools. So we come in and we give an art lesson. So each child in the district gets one art lesson per month. And our structure allows for a little bit of a history lesson or a discussion based on art, and then they have a lot of time for making art, which is really important for them.
I was gonna say, so are you at all of our schools?
I teach at Edison, Sharpstein, and Prospect Point.
Okay. And all the grades at each one of them?
Yep, K through 5 at each one.
And I'm assuming that each of the grade levels, there's different art lessons, right? So today we're doing mosaics, but...
No, we do the same lesson for each grade level, but then we adapt it out. So if you came to my kindergarten class next, I don't spend a lot of time discussing, but I talk to them about colors, and so I adapt the lesson based on the grade level.
Okay.
So you can go a little bit higher level with 4 and a little bit more kinder level with kinder.
Gotta adapt, gotta pivot, right? What's the thing that you've learned the most, just for yourself, teaching art?
Well, kids make the best art. That is definitely the thing I've learned.
Yeah, I can tell you. I got a lot of kid art.
Yes, and it's such an amazing way for children to learn problem solving, for them to express themselves, and to have fun in their busy day.
I can tell. How long have you been with Picture Lab?
I have been with Picture Lab in like this kind of role for 3 years, but previous to that I was a volunteer, so more like 10 years.
So you really know a lot of our kids.
I do.
Yeah, I'm sure you've probably seen their progression over years.
Yes, it's really fun because it's really like one of the great things about this job is I get to build relationships with them. So I get to know them as kindergartners and then all the way through grade 5, and then I'll see them out in the community later on, and they're in middle school or high school, and they'll still say hello, which is really sweet.
I probably would have benefited from a class like this growing up, because I think there's a part of me that had an artistic side of my brain, or whatever you call it, and I don't think it was ever tapped. So I'm already, as I was talking to some of the kids, just how they already think about art, what they're going to do, just unleashing that creativity.
Absolutely. And every kid is an artist. Every kid is an artist. And that's one thing that Picture Lab really tries to bring. It's that we're not going to say, oh, I'm not an artist. Every kid is an artist. We need to find their medium.
I like what you said earlier. It says, you're the artist, you decide.
Yes, yeah. And I always try to repeat that over and over again because, maybe this lesson doesn't speak to somebody, but hopefully the next lesson will. So over the year, they're getting a chance to explore lots of things and finding what being an artist means for them.
Absolutely. Well, I'm going to go take my challenge and make my mosaic. Thanks a lot, Ms. Stein.
Thank you.
All right. I'll tell you right now, I had a great time here at Mr. Schafer's class and the art lesson on mosaics from Ms. Stone. Feeling pretty proud of it, and I'm going to hang it up in my office. But boy, what a great way that we bring art into our classrooms here in Walla Walla. So thanks a lot, Picture Lab. Thanks a lot, Ms. Stone. Thanks a lot, Mr. Schafer's 4th grade class. Awesome work.